Guys, today I have come to talk about most powerful skincare ingredient called retinol. Retinol is a game changer when it comes to reducing fine lines, getting rid of wrinkles and boosting collagen production, but it must be used correctly. So I thought to do a short tutorial and show you guys the use of retinol, especially if you are a beginner. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply retinol. I'm using Dermabay products. I start by cleansing my face with gentle skin cleanser to remove all impurities. I wash my face and pat it dry using a towel. Next, I apply Dermabay hydrating moisturizer to the face and neck, and I'm gently going to massage it all over my face. Now I wait for a few seconds, taking few drops of retinol on my palm, and I'm going to gently press it into my skin. Finishing it off by reapplying Dermabay moisturizer to lock in the moisture. This way retinol will not cause irritation. Good night now.